Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Huawei Mate 20. So first of all, we need next to the phone the pin, and the pin is part of the box in the instruction part here. So go with your finger inside to remove the pin, press a bit and it will come out. Otherwise you could use also the edge of a paper clip. So if you have the phone like this, you will find on the side the SIM tray, and there's also a small hole in there, and with the edge of the pin or the paper clip you enter that hole, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, and on the first position here you will enter the first SIM card like this, so missing corner on missing corner, and the contacts are below. And if you want, you can add also a second SIM card or a nano SD card to extend the memory. But in my case I want to add a second SIM card. So put it like this, so this is optional, no? So missing corner, and the contacts are below. And that's construction you put back into the phone like this, and it's done. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and maybe if you want you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created some other videos. If you're interested in or may just subscribe me. Would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.